Food for Keto Diet. This keto food list, sorted by the supermarket area, is all you need to find keto diet food at your local market. Best foods that contain less than 3 grams of net carbs, total carbs minus fiber, per 100 grams of food. Good foods that contain 3 to 6 grams of net carbs per 100 grams of food. Produce area. Low carb veggies top 10. Best lettuce types: Boston, butter, endive, field greens, iceberg, matcha, romaine, and watercress. Greens types: collard, kale, mustard, spinach, Swiss chard, and turnip. Asparagus, avocados, bok choy, celery, eggplant, herbs, kohlrabi, mushrooms, radishes, ripini, broccoli rabe, tomatoes, and zucchini. Good artichokes, broccoli, broccolini, Brussels sprouts, cabbage, cauliflower, cucumbers, fennel, green beans, jicama, okra, snap peas, snow peas, and turnips. Blackberries and raspberries. Now let's go to the meat, fish, seafood counters. Raw meat and seafood are good keto options. Best: beef, chicken, game, lamb, pork, and veal. Bacon, hot dogs, organ meats, and sausage. Fatty fish and white fish. Crab, lobster, mussels, octopus, oysters, scallops, shrimp, and squid. Deli counter. Best: sliced chicken, corned beef, ham, pancetta, pastrami, prosciutto, roast beef, speck, and turkey. Sliced chorizo, pepperoni, salami, and sopressata, perfect on our simple keto plates. Prepared yourself some tasty chicken salad, egg salad, and tuna salad. Good sliced cheese, bologna and mortadella. Dairy case. High-fat dairy, good keto options. Best: butter and ghee. Heavy cream. Softer cheeses: blue, buffalo mozzarella, brie, camembert, Colby, goat, Gouda, and harder cheeses: cheddar, Havarti, mozzarella, parmesan, pepper jack, Munster, provolone, and Swiss. Eggs. Good full-fat creme fraiche, feta, cream cheese, cottage cheese, Greek yogurt, plain, mascarpone, ricotta, and sour cream. Whole milk, used sparingly, no more than a couple of tablespoons, in coffee or tea. Check out the Cheese Lovers section of our Keto Meals page for recipe ideas. Then for the rest of the store. Best: avocado oil, cocoa butter, coconut oil, nut oils, and olive oil. Duck fat, lard, schmaltz, chicken fat, and tallow. Canned fish or seafood: anchovies, crab, salmon, sardines, and tuna. Canned or jarred olives and sauerkraut. Hot sauce, mayonnaise, mustard, and vinegar. Bouillon cubes and broth. Dried herbs, psyllium husk powder, and spices. Pork rinds and Parmesan crisps. Club soda, coffee, tea, and unsweetened cold brewed coffee or iced tea. Good almonds, Brazil nuts, macadamia nuts, pecans, walnuts, and pili nuts. Seeds: chia, flax, hemp, and pumpkin. Beef jerky and meat bars. Canned coconut milk. Artichoke hearts, hearts of palm, pickles, pizza sauce, tomato sauce, and soy sauce. Cold brewed bulletproof coffee. Be sure to check label and avoid brands with unwanted sugars and starches. Please don't forget to subscribe for more amazing videos. Thanks.